Attention my lovely viewers, today I have a brand new tutorial for you. I'm super excited to have this for you guys. Today is the day Academy presenting how to enhance your thumbnail image of YouTube thumbnail image. So you watch this step by step and you will get how to enhance and furnish, refine, clean, fresh your YouTube thumbnail image. Time is valuable, so without wasting another moment, let's jump into this exciting tutorial to get started. Make it possible, first we open a picture and we will work it on together. I apologize that I have already removed the background because it takes time. So if you don't know how to remove the background, you can check my uploaded tutorial. Press Ctrl+J 2 times, duplicate the layer. Press Ctrl+I to invert the selected image layer. Change the blend mode to vivid light. This will change the layer colors to opposite colors, like black becomes white. And go to filter, convert or smudge filter. So then we can change anytime the values, it will make it possible. Again go to filter, color and choose the Gaussian Blur. Gaussian Blur filter is used to soften the image by applying blur effect. So whenever we increase the value in higher value, more intense the blur effect. So if we decrease the value, the lower value will result a softer, more suitable blur effect. And simply we just select both file and make a group, and Ctrl+G or manually you can do this, make a group. Make sure to keep your main file constant. Now change the blend mode and select overlay. Now you can check the differences. Now it looks fresh, sharp, and either we can make it more sharper and fresh. Open the group, select the image layer and change color, select vibrance. Now you just increase the vibrance and saturation. This makes the image more fresh and sharp, clear, attractive. And make sure to just clip the layer, and this is important, clip the layer. Wow, now it looks much better. Now click on here saturation and just simply increase the saturation value. Choose the curve adjustment layer and just simply drag the curve upside. Now just simply check the difference. It looks much better. Now we switch on the thumbnail file. Just simply drag this image to the thumbnail file and we will make the image with combination of thumbnail. Go to the file and place embed. We just place our background here. Actually now our focus is to make a good background. Make color, solid color for it, simply black color, and drag the background remover, magic background remover to just remove the background. And just simply OK. Drag the color layer to upper and simply click on it and change the color. Then change the blend mode to multiply. Now I simply bring some objects for our background that you can put any kind of objects for your background related to your tutorial or video, vlog, etc. So I'm just simply bringing some dollars picture for background. Select these folders, group them or make a group, Ctrl+G or manually you can make the group, and then just drag, hold Alt key and drag the color layer to make and copy to upside. Now our background is ready and it looks much better. And now we make all layers of background on one group. on the image, go to effects and adjustment layer and just select the inner shadow. Now we make an inner shadow. Click on inner glow, change the opacity, change the size for your image adjustment. Right click on effects, click on create layers. Now our effects converted into layer. Click on inner glow layer, change the blend mode to color dodge. Now take the smudge tool to decrease the brush size. Just simply press the square bracket button on this keyboard to decrease the brush size, and now simply click and drag to a smudge. Oh, we messed a part. So simply we have to put a light reflection on the background. So first take the brush and change the color, take the background color green and just start brushing on the backside. This will show lightness. Now it looks much better, and now just select all layers and make a group. Now simply I lock the layers and groups to not disturb me while I'm working. So our thumbnail image is ready and background is ready. We just make some text layers for make it better. Hope you enjoyed our tutorial and learned many things from how to make an image enhancement for thumbnail. So our main focus was only on about how to enhance the thumbnail. So we just made our thumbnail enhancement image. You can see. There you have it. Now you know how to create a stunning and eye-catching YouTube thumbnail that will make your videos stand out. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumb up and consider subscribing our channel Z Academy for more tricks and tips enhancement for your YouTube content. So thank you very much for watching my videos and tutorials, and stay blessed, stay creative.